Hey! In this tutorial, we will create a wrinkled effect on the mug. Select the object spoon. Go to the physics section. Add collision. Select the object mug. In the object menu, select apply scale. Go to sculpting mode. Select the claw filter tool. Set gravity and collision in the tool properties. Press the left mouse button and drag to the left. Go to object mode. Aligning the objects. Choosing a mug and a spoon. Select the tool to move along the Z-axis. Hold down the control and snap to the vertex. Select the mug. Add modifier smooth and subdivision. That's all, thanks for watching.